Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hi to those of you who are new. Today is a very cozy rainy day and sun just showed up, and we will do a little unboxing of makeup, which happens rarely to me because even though I use makeup every day, I use a little bit of it and it lasts me forever. And then we might go to a mall and drop into a store or two which caught my eye recently for their summer collection. Not that I need to buy anything, but at least I will see how it fits and I will show you what it looks like on. So let's get started. So this order I placed on the ColourPop site when they had some discounts. I ordered things that I've been looking at, and for example this pencil brush, I use those brushes a lot, and this is a Super Shock Shadow. I think this color is a newer one and it's just stunning. It's called Rooftop Cocktails and the number is 23C4. Look at that, it's like greenish brownish and there is some pink. I like a pop of sparkle on my upper lid, just a little bit. It helps like visually open my eye and actually hides some things I want to hide around my eye. So yeah, I'm very excited about this one. And this is a blush that I've been looking at for a long time, but I was a little intimidated by colors because they seem to be very bright. Though the case is adorable. Look at that, so sleek, and it's like made of some rubber maybe. Look, it could be a very nice present, but the color is pretty dark. But let's see how it works. Not really. Look, and it's warmer than it looks in the pan. Okay, excited about it also. So this is an eye pencil, and by the way it's waterproof, see, which is good for summer, like either like we're sweating or going to the beach. And again, the color is stunning, something that I would use every day. It's kind of like grayish blue. Look at that. And it could be thin too. Let me see if I can work with it. Yep. So outer corner of the eye would be stunning using this pencil. Okay, I'm very happy. And now the star of the order is a shadow palette. I haven't seen these. I haven't seen reviews or anything, but I like ColourPop formula, and the colors in this palette are pretty special. I haven't seen many. Look at that. So they are like cool purple, almost grayish, but even that color that looks like it's kind of like beigey green, even that color, the matte color, has some purple in it. Let me try. Okay, so this is matte, doesn't show much, but I think my fingers, I need to work better. Look at that. So these are the swatches. Stunning colors. We made it to a shopping mall and I'm dropping into Sephora, and there is their collection that I heard very good reviews about, but I never tried it. So I was looking for some new for me perfumes, and this Burberry one is awesome actually, but I should try it on my skin. So far so good. And I found this brand. I've never heard of it before. They have perfumes and oils with very natural, like jasmine or lily fragrances. I really liked it. Growing up in Egypt, we had a lot of fragranced oils because Egypt produces a lot of components for high-end perfumes, and those reminded me of that. And you can use oil on your skin or even in your linens or anywhere you want, really. I also like that they have like travel versions of their perfumes and I think oils also in these little containers that you can basically take with you in your purse anywhere, so I might come back. So now let's check what's new in Madewell. Madewell is famous for its earthy tones even in summer. Look at those pinks and crocheted sweaters and even purses. This dress is stunning. The neckline is beautiful and they always have very cute jewelry, a little pricey at times, but look pretty unique. I tend to wear mostly natural fabrics, both for their comfort and environmentally friendly qualities. They also carry shoes and purses, which is convenient. Their sale section is full. A lot of summery items are already on sale, including these airy cotton white dresses. So let me show you the outfit of the day. I am wearing a white mom jeans from H&M, blue hoodie from the collaboration of H&M and Mugler. I'm wearing these silver handmade earrings that I got in 90s in Egypt. And I also have a brown purse that I forgot to show you, but I will show it later. Surprise, we got to try on this cotton dress and this floral chiffon dress, and then we will get a top that looks like crochet top and off-white pants with fun pockets on the front and on the back. Well, the dress is stunning. It's made of poplin, which is a thin cotton, which is very good for summer. It does have pockets. It's midi, almost maxi on me, and it has this very interesting detail on neckline. These are basically straps that you can even adjust, and it also has those wide shoulder straps that made almost like straps for a purse, and you can adjust those. The floral dress is beautiful overall. Doesn't work for me well enough with my skin color, and the cleavage is a little like too much, but beautiful back. And it's a pity it's polyester. It does have lining, but it's all polyester. So here are the pants and the top. The top is a little cropped, but the pants are high-waisted. They are slightly stretchy. You see they're a little tight on me. I will leave in the description below all the sizes that I was trying on. It's a little see-through, but if you wear lingerie of your skin color, that's going to be fine. Or if you wear an overshirt over it, it looks very casual and elegant at the same time. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe you got some ideas for your summer outfits. Please subscribe if you like this video so you don't miss my future ones, and I will see you next time. Bye.